Integrating Salesforce with external systems. Benefits of Salesforce integration with external systems. Improved data accuracy. By integrating Salesforce with external systems, you can ensure that all data is synchronized and up-to-date across platforms. Enhanced efficiency. Automation through integration can help streamline processes and reduce manual tasks, freeing up valuable time for your team. Better decision-making. Access to real-time data from external systems within Salesforce can help improve decision-making processes. Challenges of integrating Salesforce with external systems. Complexity. Integrating multiple systems can be complex and require careful planning and execution. Security concerns. Integrating external systems with Salesforce can raise security concerns, especially when dealing with sensitive data. Compatibility issues. Ensuring compatibility between different systems and platforms can be a challenge, particularly when dealing with legacy systems. Best practices for Salesforce integration with external systems. Define clear objectives. Clearly define your integration objectives and goals to ensure alignment with your business requirements. Choose the right integration tools. Select tools and platforms that are compatible with Salesforce and your external systems to streamline the integration process. Secure data integration. Implement robust security measures to protect sensitive data during the integration process. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating Salesforce with external systems can provide numerous benefits for businesses looking to streamline processes and enhance efficiency.